product right here made me $98,000 in 2 months, and I'm gonna show you exactly how. I was doing product research and I saw that wine opener has 49,500 searches per month. That tells me that this product is in high demand and a lot of people are searching for it on a monthly basis. Then I headed over to Google Trends to make sure that wine opener had a consistent trend, which tells me if people are buying this product year round or if it's seasonal. It never hits the bottom line, which tells me people are always buying this product. And during the holidays, there's extensive sales for this product as well. Once the Google search volume and the Google Trends checked out, I went over to Shopify.com and started creating my landing page so people can come on my website to buy my product. I then created a Google Ads account, and then I created a Google Merchant Center account. I then created my Google Shopping app, so when people search for the product, again, it gets almost 50,000 searches per month. They can click on my ad, go to my website, and buy the product. So stop wasting time, go sell those products online, and start making that money, baby. Let's go!